In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can have NAs appear as blanks in your graph in Microsoft Excel. So by default, whenever you're graphing data that has NAs in it, Excel will automatically interpolate between points that are not NAs. So here we have a graph of daily sales, and on 10/9 we had $488 of sales, and 10/13 there were $313 of sales. Between these 2 points are NAs. Looking at the graph, 10/9 is $448. Whereas 10/13 is $313. And we just kind of have a straight line decline right here where the NAs are present. To have these show up as blanks instead, we can click on the graph and then click on this little filter icon right here, click on chart filters. And then from here, we want to click on select data. After clicking on select data, we want to click on hidden and empty cells. We can move this to the right, let's succeed better. And then we can click on this little checkbox right here that says show NA as empty cell. Click on that, then click OK. OK. And now, as you can see, where we have NAs, it is now an empty cell. And vice versa, if we this is obviously is not very helpful at all. So if we want to at least have something where these points are NAs, then we can click on the chart filter again, go to select data, hit empty cells, and uncheck the box, show NAs as empty cells, and click OK. Click OK. And now our NAs are not showed as empty. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.